Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of your Amazon account on a desktop or laptop. Whether you're using a shared computer, switching to another account, or simply want to make sure your account is signed out, this process is very simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Make sure you're signed in and on the Amazon homepage. Now, move your mouse cursor to the top right corner of the page where you see Account and Lists. You don't need to click it. Simply hover your mouse over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Once the menu opens, look through the options on the right side. Scroll down toward the bottom of the menu until you find the Sign Out option. When you see Sign Out, click on it. Amazon will then sign you out of your account and take you back to a page where you can sign in again. If you're using a public or shared computer, it's a good idea to make sure you've signed out before leaving, especially if you access personal account information. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Amazon account. The whole process only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.